Assalamualaikum class 5th. Let's start our lecture of English B. In our previous lecture we have completed our lesson number 3 nouns, and today we are going to start our lesson number 4 sentences on your book, page number 16. Let's start. A subject is a noun or a pronoun. एक subject जो है वो noun या pronoun होता है. To find a subject, ask the question who to the verb. एक subject को ढूंढने के लिए, तलाश करने के लिए हम एक question करते हैं, सवाल करते हैं कौन है वो वर्ब के साथ, उसका क्या लिंक है. रीड द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो. नीचे कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं, उनको पढ़िए. मैरी बॉट अ डॉल. द रूम वाज लिटर्ड विद पेपर ऑल ओवर. द फार्मर इज टिलिंग द सॉइल. अ येलो बटरफ्लाई इज सिटिंग ऑन द रेड रोज. एवरी सेंटेंस हैज टू पार्ट्स, a subject and a predicate. Every sentence has two parts. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about. एक subject है कि वो क्या और कौन है उस जुमले के बारे में बता रहा है. A predicate tells us something about the subject. Predicate जो है हमें कुछ बता रहा है उस जुमले के बारे में. The words in red are all subjects. जो रेड में है वर्ड्स वो सब सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. मैरी, द रूम, द फार्मर, अ येलो बटरफ्लाई. द अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स आर ऑल वर्ब्स, डूइंग वर्ड्स. अंडरलाइन जो वर्ड्स हैं वो सब और वर्ब हैं जो कि कुछ कर रहे हैं, जिसमें कोई काम किया जा रहा है. बॉट, वाज लिटर्ड, इज टिलिंग, इज सिटिंग आर वर्ब्स. The words in blue are all predicates. जो blue में है वो सब predicates हैं. A doll was with paper all over. The soil on the red rose. Remember, sometimes two or more nouns can act as subjects of a sentence. बाज़ दफ़ा two या उससे ज़्यादा जो nouns होते हैं वो एक subject की जगह की तरह act करते हैं किसी sentence में. A subject is जनरली प्लेस बिफोर अ वर्ब. आमतौर पे एक सब्जेक्ट जो है वो एक वर्ब की से पहले आता है. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. इन द सेंटेंसेस बिलो सर्कल द सब्जेक्ट एंड अंडरलाइन द प्रेडिकेट. नीचे जो जुमले दिए गए हैं उसमें सब्जेक्ट पर सर्कल लगाएं और प्रेडिकेट को अंडरलाइन कीजिए. कॉपी द सेंटेंसेस इन योर नोटबुक. इनको अपने कॉपीज में नोट कीजिए. नंबर 1, द चिल्ड्रन एंजॉयड द मैजिक शो. The children is our subject. Enjoyed the magic show is our predicate. Second, the cat mews. Cat is our subject. Mews is our predicate. Third, Anita and James love dancing. Anita, James are subjects. Love dancing is predicate. Let's move on to our page number 17. 4. I finished my homework before going to play. I is our subject. Finished my homework before going to play is our predicates. Next, 5th, Joseph will bring chocolates for all of us tomorrow. Joseph is subject. Will bring chocolates for all of us tomorrow is our predicate. The position of the subject changes when we ask questions. जब हम कोई सवाल करते हैं तो subject की जो position होती है वो change हो जाती है. Sometimes the position of the subject can change in statements too. बाज़ औक़ात सब्जेक्ट की जो पोजीशन है वो किसी स्टेटमेंट में भी तब्दील हो सकती है. स्टडी द फॉलोइंग एग्जांपल्स. नंबर 1, व्हाई इज जॉन नॉट कमिंग डाउन फॉर डिनर. जॉन इज और सब्जेक्ट. सेकंड, आर यू फीलिंग अनवेल. यू इज और सब्जेक्ट. थर्ड, वेयर हैव एन एंड स्टीव गॉन. एन एंड स्टीव आर सब्जेक्ट्स. 4, yesterday the school was closed. School is our subject. Number 5, there were 3 stray kittens sitting under the table. Stray kittens are subjects. Next part, practice. A, complete the following by writing the predicates. In sentences को आप predicate लिखकर complete कीजिए. Number 1, Joseph and Anne are playing in garden. Number 2, America is making progress. Number 3, they are coming back. Number 4, I am writing a letter. Number 5, my school is producing brilliant students. Next part B. The following sentences have many subjects. Copy the sentences in your notebook and underline the subjects. इनसे जो sentences है नीचे उसमें से subjects को आप underline करें और copy करें इन सब part को अपनी notebooks में. Number 1, Uncle Sam, Rogers the dog and Tinker the cat all live together like friends in the little log hut. Which are our subjects? Uncle Sam, Rogers, the dog, Tinker, the cat. Next, Nancy and her uncle went for a stroll after dinner. Nancy and uncle. Third, Tim and Melanie ordered a pizza for themselves. Tim, Melanie are subjects. 4. Tom and his friend went to the store to buy some bread. Tom, his friend. 5th, Aunt Wendy and Aunt Maria are coming home for breakfast. Aunt Wendy, Aunt Maria are subjects. Let's move on to our next page, number 18, part C. Write 5 sentences of your own in your notebooks. 3 sentences should be statements and 2 sentences questions. Underline the subjects in each. This part is yourself. Connect the subject with its correct predicate to make a meaningful sentence and write it in your notebook. Subject and predicate. A small mouse climbed up the back of a slipping line like this. Climbed up the back of a slipping line. It thought it was a hill. The line woke up instantly. He roared angrily. The mouse said he was sorry for disturbing him in his sleep. Next part, extending exercise. Copy this passage in your notebook. Complete it with suitable subjects or predicates given below. नीचे कुछ predicates और subjects दिए गए हैं जिनको आपने इस पैराग्राफ में write करना है. They have to work so hard. We was chirping and singing happily. A group of ants. You. This. All the fields. Cannot waste your time in singing and dancing. Continue to work. Let's start. One summer day, a grasshopper sat in a field hopping about. He and underline is missed here, was chirping and singing happily. Just then, Dash walked by carrying plump kernels of corn, a group of ants. Dash were struggling hard as the corn kernels were too heavy for them. They. Where are Dash going? You. Asked the grasshopper. To our anthill, said the first ant without stopping. Dash is the third kernel I have deposited today. This. Why don't you come and join me in my singing? Asked the grasshopper. Why do you dash? We have to store food for winter. You have to work so hard. We dash, replied the ant. We cannot waste the time in singing and we cannot waste our time in singing and dancing. But winter is far away. Dash, we have lots of time to gather food. The ants dash continued to work. Soon winter set in. Dash were covered with a thick layer of snow. All the fields. The grasshopper could not dig through the snow. He died of hunger. That was a story. Revise this lesson carefully. Do all the questions in your notebooks and practice again and again of this lesson. Take care.